Hey guys, Kevin Runlet with Runlet Law Firm. We want to talk a little bit today about the situation where there's an injury at work and the employer says, no, this is not a covered situation because you're a contractor, not an employee. So this brings up the legal issue of what is the difference between a contractor and an employee. In Mississippi, generally what the courts will look at is how much control does that employer have over the worker or the employee or the contractor, however that comes out, to determine whether they're an employee or a contractor. They will, a good example of this would be an 18-wheeler driver, long-haul driver who is working for a company who's made them sign a contract that says you are a contractor. A lot of times that employer will say, well look, he signed this saying he's a contractor. What the courts are going to look at is, well, are you telling this driver where to go? Are you controlling when he drives? Do you own the truck that he drives, or does he own the truck? Those are some of the things that the courts will look at to make a determination. Overall, the courts in Mississippi are fairly liberal on leaning towards employee as opposed to contractor, but there are situations where a true contractor would be held not to be covered if they're injured at work under a workers' compensation policy. So that's a nutshell of the difference between a contractor versus an employee. Let us know if you have any questions.